Okay, Chef Jess, tell me what you'll cook today.
Alright, them said name salmon.
Ah, yes. And you're sauteing it in what kind of oil?
Just the fish, salt.
And what you doing over here?
It's like some
And over in the red pot?
Here's the famous breadfruit.
Oh, I love breadfruit. So are you gonna fry it after that or
no? No, that is for boil and eat like that. And I want to fry these.
You're gonna fry what?
These.
What's that? Oh, you're gonna fry that one?
These
I like the fried one.
Right now we're looking at this salmon because I'm not so used to the salmon, but it's a very fine fish. So as you can see, this is the fish. This is the part you want to eat. This is your piece.
Ooh, yeah, that's the champion piece.
That's your piece. Well,
Yeah. Tell the people how I dutch on the bicycle today.
Well,
Tell the people.
Yeah, today was rough. Use some strategy to win me. Some professional strategy. You know, it had to come professional because I'm an amateur. The man came with some professional skills and make some move on me and then he win me. But like by 20 meters, not like, but it's going back now. I was trying, and then the man changed that thing onto me, put a turbo. I'm gone.
You're gone.
That was it.
You're gone, yeah, man.
I need something I guess.
Oh, Q, tell the people what happened to you in the backgammon game. So,
Have a game, no worries.
yeah, no worries. It's a good day for me.
Yes, it is.
Champion of everything today.
Now we got one more game. So go on, play him.
We don't have time for play. The food almost ready. Oh, the Domino's champion. Oh, Gabo is a reigning Domino's champion.
Who said the food almost ready? Who said that?
Me, and I'm almost ready. Because, what do you mean it's not ready?
You have to go and play the man again.
No, man. Man, that fish ready.
Yeah, but we have to prepare the beans and all that kind of things. You have time to play the man again. And this thing here just start boiling. It don't even start boiling, so you have time, man.
All right, I'm going to give him one more shot at me then. Q, you get one more shot. And that's it. We have the finished product. The salmon with the avocado, breadfruit, both baked, boiled, and fried. There's Q's plate. Chef Jeff, you done it again, man. You done it again. You can't ride a bike, but you can sure cook.
You're the man. You're the man talking to me, and I always behind him back.
Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.